Hey there, crypto family. Welcome back to another video where I'm bringing you that daily crypto news. Today's article comes from the Daily Hodl and looks like a mysterious Bitcoin whale accumulates over $117 million in Bitcoin in just 1 week. So, yeah, a mysterious whale or just another whale out there is still acquiring Bitcoin. Wow, shocker. Like, we know whales are always buying Bitcoin because they understand the DCA, dollar cost averaging, is how to accumulate Bitcoin the best way. So it doesn't matter if prices are high or if prices are low, they are accumulating as much as they can. And of course, some of them are going to take advantage of the dips because they like to buy the dip and hodl the high. So here we go. Let's go over this article. The third biggest Bitcoin whale in the world has entered accumulation mode with huge purchases of Bitcoin over the last week, as the leading crypto by market cap hovers around the $40,000 mark. The whale is ranked number 3, but is the largest non exchange entity and has accumulated 2,822 Bitcoin in the past 7 days, according to BitInfo charts. The new addition of the Bitcoin to the whale's wallet is currently worth $117,144,042 and puts the value of their wallet at a total of $5,202,214. So, yeah, crazy. Closely followed crypto analysis Benjamin Cowan points out that the whale, unlike many of the top entities, stays fairly active rather than just simply buying and holding. He says that the whale appears to have been trading a range with Bitcoin price action, buying dips and selling local highs. You can see they've been periodically adding to their stack here in the low 40,000s and $30,000 levels. Now, the reason this is interesting is because it wasn't that long ago when they were taking some off the table. We need to understand that some people like to swing trade the market, some people trade the ranges, and when it gets to the top of the range, they sell, and when it goes to the bottom of the range, they buy. If we all go way back, just to give a little more history, you go back to November and you can see, in fact, that they took 1,500 Bitcoin off the table at $67,000. In contrast to the whale's relatively active trading strategy, Cohen notes that the majority of the richest Bitcoin wallets tends to buy only on occasion, usually after large corrections. He says that the resurgence of the most long-term strategy whales could eventually end up being a major buy signal for Bitcoin. The reason why I keep watching these wallets is, man, it'd be nice to see them buying again if we're sitting here and Bitcoin is trading at some price in the future, and we're all feeling somewhat depressed about it, and we see these wallets adding again. Boy, that'd be interesting. We'll be like, well, they got $3,800 Bitcoin to the bottom was at 3,100. Then they picked it up at 31,000 when the bottom was at 29,000. So maybe they'll do a good job again in the future. So yeah, that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Like, whales are still buying it. They're accumulating. Like I said in the beginning of the article, they are buying the lows and usually holding the highs. But we saw in the last cycle, like this article pointed out, that they did take a little profit and took a bunch of Bitcoin off the table. But that happens. This is a big whale game. So it's fun to be a part of it, just accumulate, because there's only 21 million Bitcoin out there. And for us little guys out there can acquire as much as we can, we're taking a little less off the table for them. So we're in the game too. So yeah, great article. If you guys thought so too, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. Share this video with your friends. Leave a comment. Let me know why you love Bitcoin. I love it because it's freedom. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.